on.
Hey, my vacay family, it's your girl Sean.
It's your boy KC.
And you're watching Cruising on Vacay Mode.
And if you haven't subscribed to us, get over there. You know what I'm saying? If you're a cruise lover like we are, you know what I'm saying, enjoying the cruises and stuff like that, and you want to know more information about cruising, don't forget to subscribe below to keep up with our latest travel news, tips, and cruise. And every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, we go live, you know what I'm saying, answering Q&As on cruise tips. So if you want us to answer your questions personally, get over there. Come on by. You know what I'm saying? So we can answer your questions and join the family and hang out with us, you know, as we, you know what I'm saying, go back and forth with different questions. And maybe we might be answering somebody else's question that might answer your question.
Never know.
Come on by.
So today we're going to talk about, can you check your Facebook or your email while you're on a cruise?
What?
Well, yes you can. And the way how you do that, we did a video on the Wi-Fi packages, so definitely go check that out. Is you're gonna have to pay for it. There's no other way around it.
Yeah, they have a small, medium, and large package depending on what you're trying to do or what your needs are, stuff like that. Because I know some of you guys are vloggers out there, and y'all may need a higher stream.
So there's definitely ways that you can check your accounts and your email. And they also have where if you don't want to get any of these packages, you can just pay for how many minutes you need while you're on board, and you can just go ahead and do that. They have 1 day. I believe one of our family members, he did like the 1 day where he can just use his social media. So you can also do that too. So
and what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'll leave the link, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the video, so you can be able to go straight to finding out about the internet packages.
So don't worry about it. The answer to that is you can check your email and your Facebook while on board. Hopefully this video was helpful. This your girl Sean.
And it's your boy Casey. And if you want more in-depth personal conversation with me and Sean, you know what I'm saying, come by our live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, and we can be able to answer your question. And if you want to get to us quicker, get over there to our Facebook page, Sean and Casey on Vacay Mode, and join our group.
See you guys next time.
See you on Vacay Mode.